Welcome, today I've with me HUAWEI Nova Y70 and I'll show you how to link or unlink the voice assistant from a power button on our device. So now by hold for a while the power key, we can't here apply the assistant section, and if you want to turn it off, just tap here to next, click yes I agree. The conversation language, for example the English, tap to next, agree, and done. And now by press and hold for a while the power key, we can see that the voice assistant is activated. If you want to turn it off, just open the settings and then scroll here to the accessibility features, then tap the shortcuts and gestures and click to all voice. And just to turn off this feature or to turn it on, once again click on this feature. And now by press and hold the power key, we just can see that we can open only the power off menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.